We're cleaning our boat today. We are. We already started. We started with the inside first. Also, I got a pimple on my lip. Look at that shit. I still look cute though. We got the homeboard nanny cleaning the seats. But yeah, she's gonna look nice. We're also gonna wax it, so pretty excited. How dirty the tip is, man. Gonna be vacuuming everything in here. Before we start rinsing it, we're gonna get all the little debris out. Because if we don't, it's just gonna plug up the holes for the drain again. Because since we're filled with water. So, yo. I don't know where these bugs keep coming from. But we got a little couple school. Nice. See many of my hands. I have to censor it. Yeah.
Then action shots.
You gotta get the little edges, the little engine component. Getting most of it out already. Just trying to get the last touches. A little grease up my ass. Sure hope nobody takes advantage of me while I'm at my most vulnerable position.
Okay, that's the last one. Now it looks like you got a fucked up sweat mark.
God damn it.
I can get the whole thing if you want me.
No, I don't want my ass to be wet. I don't want to get a rash. Whoa, big boy. Big boy. This homeless guy from Wisconsin that I picked up from 7-Eleven is doing a pretty good job. So, might keep him around for next time.
Thank you,
rinse this off.
Look on the pot.
Editor, cut that out.
I'm adding smoke effects.
Almost done, almost done. We got like 4 feet left, and then we gotta wait for it to like dry, and then we're gonna wipe it clean. As we can see, this shit do be clean. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like on the video,
You got any games on your phone?
leave a like on the video. So
But not on the other side.
we finished. We finished. We finished the boat. We finished the boat.
It's the access towers.
Anyways, now we just gotta wait for it to dry and wipe off all the wax. And we're done. So now, just gonna take some before and after.